Sometimes our voice tone doesn't sound compelling enough, and people can disengage, turn their cameras off, fall asleep, pull away, and they'll only tune in when you change your voice and demand the attention. Now, how do you do that? That has more of a staccato. It's much more punchy. It's not as laid back and relaxed as if we're just having a chat. It has instructions. There's tempo. We're going to be doing 3 things today. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Not like, well, if you like, we will go through 3 steps today to show you how you can improve your productivity. No, today we're going to talk about 3 things that's going to help you increase your productivity. Ultimately, when we're more productive, we are more happy, we make more money, right? Or so on. You point out the benefits, the gain in your own terms, whatever that is. But what I'm doing here is I'm making a very active statement. I'm actually using energy to propel action. I don't want a complacency. I want everybody, come up, sit up, listen, put your cameras on. I've got something important to say. And you'll hear my voice, it's very staccato. I'm not making my words long. Well, today we've got 3 things that I'd like to talk to you. You know, sometimes we're just too polite and we're so careful. We don't want to show emotion. We don't want to show enough energy. We just want to be neutral. And in that neutrality, the problem is there's not enough information in what it is that you're trying to say for the other. There's not enough inspiration, movement, power, energy, because you're being afraid or very careful not to say the wrong thing. You can sometimes come across like this when you're new at a role or something, having difficulty with the English language, or overthinking things, being extra careful. But when you're actually flowing and you're free and you're connected to what it is that you're trying to say, you want them to know something, you want them to do something, you want them to feel something, you're then going to give a very clear instruction. And it tends to be very kind of staccato. It's got this beat. It's got ba, da, ba, not ba, da, ba, da. So if you give me an ocean feeling, kind of like waves, I'm going to relax. But if you do something more like shooting bullets, you're going to actually activate my energy. So the energy of your voice makes a big difference to the words. It empowers your words. So the only way you're going to know that is if you record yourself, practice on Zoom doing a video of yourself, listen to the energy of that, get some feedback, get comfortable and say, what's my voice like when I'm in giving instructions? What's my voice like when I'm coaching somebody? What's my voice like when I'm counseling somebody? May be different. When I'm giving instructions or presentation, my voice is very direct and clear and energized, and I'm actually doing it on purpose to activate the environment so then they respond the same. So this is very important awareness on how we communicate.